Tired of tangled cables every time you use Android Auto? Meet Unlocker Plus, the ultimate solution to turn your wired Android Auto into a wireless experience. No hardware, no hassle. Let's see how it works. First, open the app and connect your phone to your car. Use a USB cable for instant pairing or Wi-Fi for a cable-free start. Unlocker Plus works with all Android Auto-compatible vehicles. Android. Next, tap Inject. In seconds, the app rewires your Android Auto setup. No coding, no confusion, just let the magic happen while you relax. Done. Your Android Auto is now fully wireless. Stream music, navigate, and take calls, all without ever plugging in again. This process is completely reversible, so you can undo all the changes without worry. It's also 100% safe. The next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Unlocker Plus application. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.